guys.
See diameter, see 10 feet, 10, 15 feet away from the hip. At yun lang yung nasa likod. Yung depth of field na tinatawag yung nag-iiba ang tingin mo sa leg.
I'm sure shooting, di ba sinulat niya yung court, pinakita niya, it's 10 feet, it's the weight, di ba?
Ulam ko.
Especially the younger generation is happy to be Hoosiers, one of the greatest basketball movies of all time. Nagkapanggaan si Akulit at si Galinato, napapili tuloy si Kim.
Nabanggit ko kanina, parang wala si Robert Boniek sa loob. He is physically there, but he has not contributed sa scoring ng Road Warriors. Yung manggaan na yun, yung fire. Sabi din, violation.
Nawin ng school si Kapata na yun. Here's balling again, away on, and tutulong mo si Galinato. Balling shakes off. The bigger Galinato, he's got away in front. Balling, diving in, goes to the corner. Around to Eno Valdez. Doesn't work. Galinato. Oh, look at that. Anthony from the floor.
For TNT, recognize things. Every time they do a defensive scheme, ang hinahanap-hanap mo talaga is yung bang nakashoot pa si Robert Boniek. Nakabigay ka ba ng isang tira lamang sa iyong kalaban? So, on those situations or sequences that we've seen so far, alam na yung game plan ng TNT na talagang get the ball out of the hands of Robert Boniek. He misses first free throw, this guy that we're seeing right now. 3.7 points per ball game. This is average in Commissioner's Cup, just 5.7 rebounds. So only played 13.4 minutes, and that is understandable because it was an inverted confidence. But given more minutes, 18.6